Hello. As high pressure builds across Western Europe, the weather will start to settle down in the next couple of days. The same cannot be said for Central and Eastern Europe. You can almost see the ridge of high pressure building here with the cloud toppling in to the north of it. For Central and Eastern areas, though, well, the picture gradually improving as the high extends across towards Germany, eventually into the Alps, losing the heavy rain that we started the week with. But it looks like could get some wintry storms affecting parts of Poland. A very nasty storm with strong winds and heavy snow tucking into the Ukraine. A lot of snow on the way for Turkey and heavy rain affecting many parts of Greece on Tuesday. Strong winds as well. Further west, the skies overall are much clearer. There will be some sunshine around, but we could get stuck with some dense lingering patches of fog across parts of France and perhaps Germany and the Low Countries too. Some sunshine for southern Scandinavia. Here we are on Wednesday, and you can see the clearer conditions trying to extend their way a little bit further eastward, so the prospects do look like they will gradually improve for Greece as the week wears on. Quite a lot of cold air locked in across central and eastern parts of Europe, whereas in the west it will be relatively mild. Temperatures in Paris starting off at just 3 as the week begins, but up to 7 or 8 around average values by the time we get to the weekend. The cold, though, continuing for Moscow and Kiev, and a few wintry flurries possible too. Hello, we have some pretty stormy weather on the way for Oregon and California in the next 24 to 48 hours, thanks to an area of low pressure that's rolling in from the Pacific. It's going to bring some heavy rain at lower levels, but once it starts to meet the higher ground of the Sierra Nevada, we're going to be talking about heavy snow, maybe up to a foot of snow, 25 to 30 centimetres possible in the course of just 24 hours. It will get blown around quite a bit as well, with the winds accompanying this system, and that's going to make for some quite difficult travelling conditions for anyone moving around during the period of the holidays. In the northeast as well, some wintry flurries possible, and also some further snow moving into the Yukon. But as we look at Alberta and British Columbia, I think sunny spells will be the order of the day on Monday. So rain along much of the west coast, and then snow as that system moves further inland. To the south, though, still plenty of sunshine to come for the likes of Los Angeles and San Francisco, having clear skies as well for Tuesday and Wednesday. Moving across to the east coast now, some enhancement from the Great Lakes means we could get some significant snow across parts of Michigan, for example, in the next 24 hours. Further south, clear skies across Georgia, the Carolinas, Virginia, and into Florida. And the sunshine here looks set to continue as we go further on into the week. Some slightly milder weather on the way for the northeast.